I got a question for you. What size tire are we looking at, man? That's a big motherfucker back there. I just caught this last night staring at it. I said, there's some extra stuff. What is this, a 200?
I don't, that's the one that was on the bike.
Oh, okay. Man, so what brought you to Money's Car Stereo today?
Money's Car Stereo brought me here to up-tune my music. I didn't have any music.
Okay. So how did you know of me? You said you ran to me at DO's and got my number. Well, what made you say I'm with that? I'm gonna check that dude out.
Well, you know, I like to venture out. And, I'm a soul businessman myself, black man. You know, I like good work, quality work.
Okay.
You know.
So you saw.
I give a fella a chance.
Gave me a chance. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Well, I appreciate it, man. I'm hoping people see what you see, and they may come see me. You know what I'm saying?
Red thing, man.
The red thing. I told y'all, I call him Mr. Detail, y'all, because he showed me some stuff I ain't seen in a while from some of these new cats. How you touching every piece of it, you know, and yeah. I'm letting y'all.
Ain't playing with it.
Might as well go for it.
Adding pieces and all that. I ain't know none of that.
Ain't no covers up in here.
This right here. I got it in the car. Couldn't get it on right.
Yeah.
With the key. But I'm gonna have my dude figure it out.
Oh, okay.
That red brake line.
Yeah, I see.
It's in the car too.
Okay.
Back chrome brake.
Okay, add the caliper, the chrome caliper, and a little in the horn. And that's the finishing touches right there, huh?
If you see something else, you tell me.
Okay. I'm gonna review the video. If I see something, I'm gonna holler at you.
And the screw, the whole thing about it.
Yeah.
This screw, and this screw, I just got them chrome before I left the house. Cause I seen them, I was looking at them, and I'm like,
and they were catching your eye like, this is out of place.
I can't do that.
I can't do that.
I can't do that.
Okay, all right, one more question before we let you fire him up. You told me something, CVO owners, if you want to make your bike go into, you know, the key don't turn backwards and you work. So how did you fire it up and not have the front lights on? Because I was dazed and confused trying to figure this out, man.
Fire what, the music up?
Yeah, how'd you fire it up?
Well, they got a little button over here on the left side that if you push it and hold it.
Lights, camera, action? Look.
Yeah, that's how it ain't no need playing with it.
Oh, man, see, enough said, man.
Lights come on, parking lights come on.
It's just the parking lot, because you know, I was all the way over here on the run switch. Barry went dead once time on me. Man, you learn something every day, man.
And you had said something in your video about them white lights in the front with the blinkers to turn.
Hit the blinker, man.
Oh,
turn him all the way on? Okay, he all the way on, he lit up. Oh, okay, yeah.
This is $100.
This is $100?
Different.
Okay, something different?
Yeah, something different.
Like I said, man, good dealing with you, baby. Let's get him back on truck so you can get him back down before you get rained on, baby.
All the time.
All right, Money's Car Stereo. We out of here, y'all.